Good morning. I'm going to show you a little immune system boost this morning. I've done this one before, but I think it's relevant at the moment. So there are 4 major immune system points that are relating to boosting your innate intelligence in the body. So these are acupuncture points. They've been used for thousands of years. So 2 of them are either side of the collarbone. So these ones are called kidney 27. They're the last point on the kidney meridian. So if you rub them and they're sensitive, it's a sign that the kidney meridian isn't flowing as well as it should. And the kidney energy is about fear and anxiety. The next 2 points are basically on the side of the body. If you put your arm down beside the body, it's in this little point where your elbow is. So that's the next point. It's called spleen 21. Now so the spleen makes a lot of white blood cells. So it does a whole bunch of cleansing. The spleen's like a big tonsil, it's a filter. It's an amazing organ. So with this balance, you're sort of tapping on your spleen points and your kidney points. Spleen point and kidney points. And then I know the next one you've seen me do, it's going anti-clockwise over the heart. That calms stress. Okay. And then I'm going to do a few tapping points on the face, which if your body doesn't recognize what we're about to do, this helps the body. It's called an energy mismatch. There are actually some toe points as well, but that would be challenging to do in this video. I'll do that in another one. So, okay. So you ready? Okay, so breathe. My immune system reacts appropriately. My immune system fights viruses simply and easily. My immune system chooses to look after my health and my vitality. My immune system fights all versions of the coronavirus. My immune system fights all versions of the coronavirus. I create antibodies for the coronavirus with ease. Create antibodies for the coronavirus with ease. I release all fear in my system around the coronavirus. I release all fear in my system in relation to the coronavirus. I release all fear in my system in relation to the coronavirus. I choose to act with calm and compassion throughout this challenging time. I choose to act with calm and compassion throughout this challenging time. I choose to act with calm and compassion throughout this challenging time. And breathe. Okay, just breathe in and out and release all the stress. So breathe in, breathe out, and release all the fear. Breathe in, breathe out, and release all the frustration. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Have a beautiful day.